In more business news, Beijing has defended the latest action taken against American companies while talking up China's long-term attractiveness to foreign firms. This comes amid a continued slump in foreign direct investment. Yesterday, China's State Council released a 20-point action plan to stabilize foreign investment. It included measures to improve market access by expanding pilot programs in sectors like telecommunications, healthcare, and biotech. It also pledged to provide greater policy support to encourage foreign firms to make equity investments, also removing restrictions on domestic loans for foreign investment companies. Olivia Siong tells us much more from Beijing.
Chinese officials met the media a day after fresh data showed a continued drop in foreign direct investment into China, dipping by more than 13% in January year-on-year. This following a 27% decline seen in 2024. Vice Commerce Minister Lin Ji emphasized China's commitment as he elaborated on a new action plan to address this.
外资是中国改革开放的见证者、贡献者，也是获益者。当前，我国正在致力于高质量发展，推进中国式现代化。因此，吸引外资将继续发挥重要作用。
Officials attributed the decline in foreign investment to a sluggish global landscape and a complex external environment. They noted that geopolitical conflicts have intensified and protectionism is on the rise, but they maintain that China's positive long-term trajectory will not change. Officials were addressing the media at a time when China is keen to boost investor confidence, especially just weeks away from key annual political meetings set to take place here in Beijing. This at a time when its economy is facing headwinds and authorities are dealing with challenges, including in its property sector and with weak domestic consumption. China is also dealing with a renewed trade war with the US, officials hitting out again at tariffs levied by the second Trump administration, saying this would undermine the development of foreign firms in China and interfere with investment decisions of multinationals. But they defended China's retaliatory moves on American companies like Google, which was put under an antitrust investigation.
中国政府欢迎外国企业在华投资经营，也将依法保障他们的合法权益。那么中方是根据我国的法律， 对违法违规的企业和个人进行调查和处罚，那么诚信守法的外国实体是不需要担心的。
The American Chamber of Commerce in China told CNA it appreciated the government's recognition of the vital role foreign companies play. AmCham also said it looked forward to discussing the challenges U.S. firms face and the steps needed to ensure a more level playing field. One analyst told CNA that newly opened markets will likely attract some foreign firms, and the signal of greater opening up is positive, although there are other unresolved concerns.
It doesn't go in addressing some of the root concerns that I think investors have, particularly with regards to how China's own growth momentum seems to have slowed over the past few years, and I think the businesses and consumers having such low confidence, I think investors will have to think twice. The cost of investment has gone up due to how interest rates have risen in the past few years.
Despite the gloomy data, Chinese officials said there were some bright spots. This includes greater diversity in sources of investment, including from Belt and Road countries. Olivia Siong, CNA, Beijing.